Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about prepositions. What is the preposition? What does it mean? Preposition is a word that places before a noun or a pronoun and indicates the connection between two or more words. What are they? In, on, at, with, up, over, under. Why they so important? Where do they use in a sentence? Most of common prepositions show relationships of time, location, or direction. They are usually short words and normally placed directly in front of nouns. Prepositions show time: after, at, before, during, since, till, until. Prepositions show location: above, against, among, around, at, behind, below, beside, between, by, in, inside, near, on, outside, over, throughout, under, upon, with. Prepositions show direction: across, along, around, down, from, into, off, onto, out, through, to, towards, up. Now we are going to talk about in. In is used to describe place or location of the thing or person, unspecific time during a day, month, season, year, and indicates a shape, color, or size. Now let's see about place. Daughter, Mom, where is the Tommy? Mom, Tommy is in the garden. Here, preposition in is used to show the place where Tommy is playing right now. This is an apartment. It looks nice. Mr. Pereira once lived in there. Mr. Pereira lived in an apartment. This is another example shows you in is used to say about specific location. A. Annie, did you take my pen? B. No, I saw it is in the box. In is used to show location of the pen. Unspecified time in a day, month, year, and season. Leaves are falling off trees in autumn. My father reads newspaper in the morning. It happened somewhere in April. Shape, color, or size. This jacket comes in 4 different sizes. It is in bad shape. This painting is mostly in blue. The students stood in a circle. On. On is used to indicate a position, usually indicating that something is on top of something else, more specific dates and date and part of a body. Let's consider a part of the story of monkeys and hat seller. There was a hat seller in a city. He used to go from place to place to sell the hats on Mondays. He left on the 24th of December to a village nearby with basket full of hats. He put a hat on his head to take a walk on that bright sunny day. On the way to village, He was so tired. He saw a shade under the tree. He put his basket on the ground and closed his eyes while leaning against the tree. There were monkeys on the branches of that tree, but the poor sailor didn't know about it. What would be next? Learn more. Christmas is on December 25th. He lives on 10th floor. The coffee cup is on the table. We live on the Earth planet. She spends a lot of money on clothes. At is used to point out the place and an exact time. Specific time. I will meet you at 12 p.m. The bus will stop here at 5:45 p.m. Don't forget to meet me at 8 a.m. We saw a baseball game at the stadium. The staff meeting will be held at 3:30 p.m. Place. There is a party at the clubhouse. We met our family doctor at the residence. There are a lot of people can be seen at Victoria Park in summer. We will meet at the airport. Used to indicate an email address. Please email me at dms@geethani.com with. With is used to indicate a companion or together. I order a cheeseburger with a glass of orange juice. Nimal came to see me with his wife. I have been working with him for years. The manager will be with you shortly. Having something. I interviewed a guy with a lot of talents. My brother purchased a house with a beautiful pool. The girl with the long hair sat next to me. The lady with a mask is buying vegetables. Using. I have corrected his essay with a red color marker. I mix my cake mixture with a stirrer. He painted my kitchen with matching colors. Feeling. My boss came to work today with a bad mood. He prepares for his exam with a self-confidence. John practiced piano with a lot of courage. I wish you good luck with your studies. Up. Up is used to nod a higher position or movement to a higher position. The woman is up the ladder. Nimal climbed up the steps to the 10th floor of his apartment. Piyal is pulling his socks up to get ready for work. He holds his son up above his head. Peter raised his right hand up to show that he liked it. Over. Over is used to refer crossing from one side to the other, usually when going up and then down. He fell over and broke his arm. The horse jumped over the fence. The bird flew over the lake. She drove her car over the hill. Under. Under is used to point out lower position or less than or hidden by. It was hidden under the cupboard. The girl is under the oak tree. The ship is going under the bridge. I ran under the tree when rain started.